This is a how-to on how to change the rear brake caliper on a Fabia. So this is the rear left near side, and I'll tell you how to do it, and then I'll tell you how I diagnose that this needed changing. First of all, you need a 13mm spanner to undo the nuts for the slider bolts. So these are the sliders that help the carrier move. One there, and there's another one there. So they undo. You need to remove the handbrake cable, which is there. So that comes up through that hole. Into that, and once it's in, there's a retaining bracket that goes in. If I'd have done it right, it goes in that way. And then how do we secure this? And we push that in, and you can see there's a collar, so we grab that, and push that in, so I'll do that later. Anyway, so how do you, so once you've undone the 13s, the caliper comes off, and then you only need to change the brake cable over from the old to the new, and there's only a 13mm bolt there as well. So that's another 13mm bolt, and I've not used anything to crimp this cable to stop the brake fluid out, because not much came out anyway. So I undid that, and it's just a big, there's only one cable to swap over. So this is my old one, so it just goes in there. So it comes off on one side. My new caliper had this plug, so I'm going to transfer that to my old one. And this one looks alright, but I think the piston is rusty, because I think I've already refurbed it once. So the piston is sticky, and therefore it's means the rear brake is not working properly. And another reason why I know there's been an issue is because when I go into the car, try not to knock anything off, you can see when I pull this handbrake cable off of the centre console. This is the handbrake cable adjuster. I thought the left caliper was stuck. I was wrong. The adjuster shows that the right caliper is stuck on. The left cable is loose and pulled through towards the back. This is expected and is good. When you pull the handbrake, this threaded bolt is pulled up, which pulls the adjuster up, which should evenly pull the handbrake cables on both sides. Right, there you go. Right. So that's what it looks like inside. So it's completely lopsided, because this cable here is being pulled from the rear left, and that one's the rear right. The brake bleed that I'm using is, I've gone through it before, so one on brake bleed. So we touch that to the bleed nipple, making sure that it's on, and you pump this up to 15 psi, and once I'm 15 psi, use a 10mm spanner, and you crack that just to let the vacuum draw the air and oil brake fluid out. Obviously remembering to top up the brake fluid.